It's snowing outside. I am not okay.
Oh my God, is it? Somebody stayed on October and it was
I'm not emotionally prepared.
Yeah, I've heard that a lot lately. I just moved here 2 months ago, so I don't know. Yeah,
Halloween is usually they put a jacket. Yeah, it's snowing. Yeah, I remember
it gets really
when it was snowing underneath my.
being so mad about it.
What?
I remember being so mad about it. I was heading downstairs to get a cookie from Subway, but I don't even know.
Or mom making it.
And he's the one who distracted me.
That she was talking to me. It was like my wife was about to sit down and like get to work. I was like, I just want to
Yeah, it is.
I usually find actually it was fun for photographers and I got curious. So I looked back through all my photos for the last couple of falls. And it seems like the first week of November seems to always be the first. Chunk of snow that like not sticks down, but like it's noticeable for a few hours kind of thing.
Can I take a picture?
Absolutely, yes, of course. If you wanted to look at the camera, just say, do you want to, how about we go?
Does he know go for a walkie? Go for a walk? Go for a walk? Go for a walk? Usually that's your favorite.
Yeah. Mom, what's this guy talking about? He says, Mom, what the heck is this? He drinks it too. He says, I think we're going for a walk, guys.
It's like everyone stop talking about.
Thank you.
No problem.
Give the paw. Give the paw. Give the paw. Give the paw. Give the paw.
He said, no, you
Give the paw.
said walk the
Give the paw. Give the paw. Ah, nice. Good. Good boy. Good boy. Good boy. Good boy. Good boy.
I think I've been bamboozled. There was promises made. And I just say paw.
Huh?
No. See, we'll give a paw. Not me.
Oh, I want to see. Cool. Oh,
See?
oh my God. I don't know anything for you. I got no treats for you. No one is funny.
Portuguese water. He has that effect on people. Almost before at the end of it. Excuse you, sir. Sir. Hey. It's nearby. No, Mom, I have to push up. Give him a little bit more before night. All right. He stares up. Is he? No, you can't have it. It's not yours.
He's like, just give me.
As if he hasn't been given treats and had breakfast. I was gonna go get lunch. It's on. Yeah.
Hi, buddy. Hi, buddy.
This is gorgeous letters.
Hi, buddy. Hi, buddy.
Yeah.
Oh,
Hi.
so what kind of dog is this
Shih
one?
Tzu.
Shih Tzu. Oh, okay. Is that like a pure one? Or?
Yes,
Okay.
purebred. Yes.
Okay.
You
Wow.
can feel if she's soft.
Oh,
Look at this
nice. Yeah.
there. Yeah.
Is this one a girl or?
Yes.
Okay.
Gorgeous ladder.
Oh, what's her name?
Gorgeous ladder.
Oh, okay. Okay.
Yeah.
Hello. Hello.
Yes.
Hello. Hello. Hello.
Yeah. Good girl.
Hello. Hello.
Good girl.
Hello.
Good girl. Yeah. I'm giving her breakfast.
Okay.
One more? There you go. You didn't eat before you
Yeah,
No,
no.
you know what?
Dogs and food.
No, right? No, she's good.
Yeah. Was there another little one?
Yes, and
Yeah.
some Hershey, and so was Trisha.
But the other one left. Eh?
Yeah,
Okay.
the other one left.
Okay. All right.
It says, I think there was four.
It's okay, it's okay.
Zeke smells the food.
It's okay, Zeke can say, Zeke can say.
That's okay.
Zeke gotta get used.
If he gets told off, he deserves it. I sometimes say that Zeke is like the annoying guy at the bar who's like, hi baby, hi baby, hi baby, and eventually just want to be like, go away.
It's okay.
I get it. It's fine.
Come in, Zeke, come in.
Is there any water on it?
That's good.
Ask him to spin. Spin? Spin? No. What's the rules? Spin?
Oh.
No, Zeke. He loves popcorn. Like it's their spin. Look. Now, wait for three. Wait for three. 1, 2, 3.
Hey.
Okay, now listen. Do you want to sit down and have it? Now listen. Do you want to go home?
This is not money than that.
Do you want to go home have a nap? Go get your lunch. Are you hungry? All right, guys.
All right. Thank you. Thank you.
So soft.
Gorgeous lad.
Yeah. He's social. She's social.
Yeah.
Yeah.
she is, yeah.
Yeah.
Hi. There you go. There you go. Yeah. There you go. Fixing my hair for you, she said. Fixing my hair. There you go. Good girl, hey? Good girl. Yeah.
Hello. Hello. Hello.
Good girl. Checking everybody out.
I'm not offering, but does she eat popcorn?
No.
No.
No,
Okay. What is there a reason or?
No human food.
Okay.
No.
Yeah.
Yeah, she's a purebred and I give her a certain food.
Yeah, that's right. Yeah.
That way I know if she gets sick, it's from something else, not
Yeah.
from food, right?
And also, it's good for them to develop good habits.
Yeah.
If I heard that I know a girl has a purebred Doberman Pinscher,
Yeah.
and there was food everywhere, but the dog would not eat it because it didn't develop those bad habits, right? Yeah.
And that's what we do, no human food.
Yeah. Yeah. Yeah.
And that's why I got her food. This is her breakfast,
Yeah.
right?
Plus, human foods they tend to have bad things in
Yeah.
it, right? Like fat and salt and
That's right,
Yeah.
No licking, no licking. Good girl. Good girl. Good girl, right? Do you want your breakfast? Rest of your breakfast? usually eats.
Yeah, yeah,
I'm
yeah.
not having her eat off the chair. I don't know what's on the chair. Good girl. Eat your breakfast.
Fuori, passi fuori con il cuore. Finisce con il